Setting up the development environment. Welcome to this presentation on setting up the development environment. In this session, we will explore the essential steps and tools required to create a productive and efficient development environment. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding the setup process is crucial for your success in any software development project. The development environment is the foundation upon which you'll build your software applications. It encompasses the tools, libraries, and configurations necessary to write, test, and deploy your code. A well-structured development environment can significantly improve your productivity, code quality, and overall development experience. In this presentation, we'll cover the key components of a development environment, including the operating system, code editor, version control system, and build automation tools. We'll also discuss the importance of setting up a consistent and reproducible environment to ensure that your code works the same way across different machines and team members. Let's start with the operating system. The choice of operating system can have a significant impact on your development workflow. Popular options include Windows, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. Each operating system has its own strengths and considerations, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. For example, Windows is widely used and offers a familiar user interface, while Mac OS provides a Unix-based environment with a focus on user experience. Linux, on the other hand, offers a high degree of customization and flexibility, making it a popular choice for server-side development and DevOps workflows. Next, we'll discuss the code editor. The code editor is the primary tool you'll use for writing, editing, and managing your source code. Popular options include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom, and IntelliJ IDEA. Each editor has its own set of features, plugins, and customization options, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your workflow and preferences. For example, Visual Studio Code offers a wide range of built-in features and a vast ecosystem of extensions, making it a versatile choice for many developers. Sublime Text is known for its speed and minimalist design, while IntelliJ IDEA provides advanced features for Java development, including intelligent code completion and refactoring tools. Version control is another essential component of a development environment. Git is the most widely used version control system, allowing you to track changes in your codebase, collaborate with team members, and manage code conflicts. Tools like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket provide web-based platforms for hosting and managing your Git repositories. Using a version control system is crucial for maintaining a clean and organized codebase, as well as enabling effective collaboration and code sharing among team members. It also allows you to easily revert changes, experiment with new features, and maintain a history of your project's evolution. Finally, we'll discuss build automation tools. These tools help streamline the process of compiling, testing, and packaging your application. Popular options include Maven, Gradle, and NPM. These tools can automate tasks such as dependency management, running unit tests, and generating deployment artifacts, saving you time and reducing the risk of manual errors. For example, Maven is a popular build automation tool for Java projects, providing a standardized way to manage dependencies, build the project, and run tests. Gradle is a more flexible and extensible build tool that can be used for a variety of programming languages, including Java, Kotlin, and Groovy. NPM, on the other hand, is the default package manager for JavaScript-based projects, handling the installation and management of dependencies. In summary, setting up a development environment involves carefully selecting and configuring the right tools and technologies to support your software development workflow. By choosing the appropriate operating system, code editor, version control system, and build automation tools, you can create a productive and efficient environment that will help you write, test, and deploy your applications with confidence. Remember, the specific tools and configurations may vary depending on your project requirements, programming language, and personal preferences. The key is to experiment, explore, and find the combination that works best for you and your team.